see the bloke in the kayak or the rowing boat. Portrush National Nature Reserve. I've seen some seals here, sea lions poke their head up. You get dolphins as well. I've seen a baby dolphin. Well, the baby dolphin wasn't here, it was on another beach, but yeah, get a lot of wildlife and sea life in Northern Ireland. Very rugged, green place. Nice ladies too. Oh, shall I walk on the edge of this? Let's see. Can I balance? Oh, already feel dizzy. Oh my god. It's because I start thinking about it, you see. Been watching a few the urban explorers doing their crazy climbing. I say just pretend this is pathetic to them. For me, I'm not used to holding the camera and that. Just imagine you're on a kitchen floor or on your living room floor. Although I do feel I could go off balance any time. The mind plays tricks. But yeah, look at this. Yeah, when the tide is out you can climb all up on these rocks so that you can see some baby seagulls. Maybe that's a fisherman. I mean, he's got a proper boat there. Well, it's bigger than a kayak. Yeah, I felt a little dizzy. I think it's my mind playing tricks on me. Let's go back. Music coming from, and look at all these amazing houses that are on, well, where I'm pointing. There's a few hotels open, a lot are abandoned now. They're beautiful houses. I think I heard a rumour they were aiming to demolish and rebuild. Well, yeah, look, there's a block for sale that's just disappeared. Shame, really. I like a bit of my urban exploration. It's getting me curious to go in one. Oh, I see some coppers. I think you'd have an interesting stay at one of these B&Bs. Seems a forgotten part of the town. It's weird when you've got all this beautiful view. Ah, look, look, we're going to go over here. I presume he was fishing. Maybe he was just enjoying having his a row out in the water. And you can see some kids on the pier, I don't know, fishing for crabs. Well, that little venue is open, it looks like. I'll have a look at that later. Where are we? 6 minutes. You're not even going to be watching this bit, are you? I might cut it into two, edit it into two. Nah, he wasn't fishing. I see no sign. Oh, I could dunk you in the water. Which side? Dunk you here.